Hello guys, how you doing today? Matches again. I have two new features I needed to do a demo video on. The first one is dynamic product pricing with FX currency. I think in my last video I promised I'm going to do demo video on this, and the second one is the quantity based discount for sale. So we'll look at these two as quick as possible. But just a plain explanation of what the features are all about. The dynamic product pricing with FX currency assign purchase FX rate, that's foreign exchange currency rate for product procured in currency other than your default system currency. So this helps you to easily update your product pricing in line with the FX rate changes. So saving time and reducing error in price adjustment. So the second feature is based on quantity-based discount. So you have quantity discount for sales forms now. So you can now apply quantity-based discount on a per item basis. So these features allow you to set customized pricing rules for individual items, where the pricing automatically adjusts according to the quantity you are selling to the customer, or the customer is purchasing from you. So, for example, you can set to have if the customer is purchasing 10 to 19 items, receives a specific discount for it. 20 to 29 is a higher discount, just like that. So the key details here is that it's item specific. So discounts are set on individual product basis, not on global. So and is the per line item calculation. So this the system applies the discount based on the quantity of each item per line. If you have the same item appear on multiple lines in sales form, the system does not combine the quantity to apply the discount. So you have to ensure that all the quantities of the same item are entered on a single line to trigger a discount. So the essence of this feature is just to simplify bulk selling for to customers or purchasing from customers, while giving you more control over pricing strategy for individual products. So making it easy to offer value-based discounts to your customers. So in addition to this, it also streamlines the process of managing quantity discounts, allowing you to optimize pricing and boost your sales. So without wasting much time, let's jump in and take a look at this. So um, this is the cloud demo. You can also test this feature on yourself. So I'll quickly log in. We'll start with the first one. For the first one, I would love to uh, probably create a product to demonstrate that before. But before I do that, you have your currency feature where you have to first of all set the different currencies and their exchange rates. So we start with that. Here you have different currencies. So let's deal with USD. So let's set this USD. Let's set the US. For simplicity's sake, we can make this a smaller figure. So let's say this is 100. So the default currency on this system is Naira. So the USD is assumed to be the FX currency now. So now then going back to individual products, so you have to set the FSC rate, FS currency that's used in bringing in those products. So we'll take one example. Let's say, for instance, we have a foreign imported evaporated milk. So let's create the product. Let's start with creating the product. So now when we are creating the product, either when you're creating or you can edit existing product. So let's create a new product to demonstrate this. So when you're creating a new product now, let's just give this. So this is um normal product. So when you come down, let's say sorry, for a series. So let's say this is in pieces. So now you have the product foreign exchange currency that you use in bringing it to your own default currency. So let's say in this case we have it as dollar. Then you have the privilege. I explained this feature last time to set cost, and the system automatically determines your cost based on the profit percentage margin that you have set, and you can also round your pricing to to your nearest figure. So here we can decide to, okay, let's based on what we know, let's say we can set it as zero. We can set it as zero. The system will automatically calculate this by the time we complete a purchase on it. So let's have this as zero, and let's probably add the product image. So let's have this as our product image. And also add here, so have the product images. So you can put other details that you want to put, and by the time you're done, you can check on this, have this added. So we have successfully created this product. We have successfully created this product, and we selected the FS rate as dollar, as FS currency as dollar. So let's go ahead and purchase this item. So either through purchase module or through open stock module, you can add quantity to this. So you can do it from purchase. So let's add purchase to this product. So we select our default supplier. I'm trying to be a little bit fast with this. So let's say we have our default supplier and have selected this. Then we have to set the FS rate. So now, by the time you're setting the FS rate at which you bought this, the system will automatically calculate the unit cost and also at the same time give you your price, your expected price using the profit margin, percentage margin that you have already set. So here you have the default profit margin. If we have changed this when we are setting the product, it will bear the particular specific margin that we have set for this product. So here now, we just mention what we have. Let's say this is the rate that we set, FS rate against the default currency, which is Naira, NG in this case. So let's say we bought this new car, let's say 16.5 USD. And so by the time you set this, the system automatically determines the cost using the FS rate and at the same time calculate your price using your profit percentage margin that you have set here. So we can capture other parameters, and by the time you're done doing that, let's say we're buying 100 of this, but the system will all calculate the unit cost and the unit price. So in order to have this, the system update the price to this, you have to check this. I explained this in my last video. So by the time we are done with this, you click on submit and let's complete this. So complete. Okay, let's update the status of this to receive. So if we go back to this product page now and search for this particular product, you see the system has updated the price. You have the price now, and you have the cost also there. Have the price and the cost also there. So let's say, for instance, the rate changed to the FS rate now changed from 100, either increase or decrease. So, but in this case, let's consider a situation where the rate increase. So this is to about to help you manage the price. So let's say in this case now, this rate has changed from 100 USD to 150 USD against dollar. Okay, let's make it, let's even say 200 USD against the default currency, which is Naira in this case. So once you change this currency, you can automatically update the price of all the products that you bring in with USD as the foreign currency. So by clicking here, once you click here, the system will give you the list of all the products, and this happens to be among the thick milk. So you can see this is the current price, but because the rate has doubled, now this is the new expected calculated price based on the current FS rate now. So you see that the initial current the FS rate was 100, and now we have it as 200, which has doubled, and that at the same time doubled the price of what you're going to sell. So to have this price automatically update for the product, you can do that individually by clicking on this button, or you can have this check and click on the action menu here and click on update price. So let's do this. So once I click on this, the system will now update the price. This is now the current price of this product. So let's look at the second one. The second one we have the second one is about quantity discount. So let's use this same product to demonstrate that. So for you to uh, 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 add the quantity discount for a particular product, like I started explaining, it's item based specific. So it's not a global setting. So you have to set it for each product that you want to apply that discount for. So let's go with pick in this case. So we have pick here. To set it, you come to the action menu of that particular product and you click on set quantity discount. Once you click on set quantity discount, the system will now give you the opportunity to set the different quantities and the different discount that you want to apply to it. So let's say, for instance, if you're buying up to 10 pieces, and this discount, you can do it either percentage or fixed amount. So let's say if you're buying 10 pieces, let's say we want to give a fixed amount discount of 60. So, and it's fixed. So the system, the current price is this. So the expected discounted price will now be 3,900. So you can set for multiple quantities. You can say now, if the customer is buying up to 20, you can set maybe 5% discount. If he's buying up to 30, you can set 8% discount or 10% discount. So as your wishes. So you can also set the start date and the end date for this discount to run. So let's say the start date is yesterday, and the end date, we expect the end date to be 31st of December this month. So let's run with this and see how the system handles it. So I'll just click on submit. So I've applied country discounts on this particular product. If you want to see what you did, you can still go back to the product and click on set quantity discount, and you see all the different quantity discount that we have applied. So let's see how the system handles this when you're making sales. So now I'll search for this item. Pick. So now this is the default price because it's still the quantity is still 1. So when I change the quantity to 10, system automatically reduce the price to 19. Look at the price before 3,960. But once the quantity is 10, the system reduces that. If I take it up to 20, it also reduces that. If I take it up to 30, so it also reduces that. Any other thing above the quantity that you set retains the last quantity of what you did. So that is how this works. Feel free to test it, and if you have any challenge doing that, please let me know. Thank you very much, and bye for now.